Ashwini Vaishnav will be in charge of the growth engines of the rail sector once again. Rail stocks like RVNL, IRFC and Ercon rallied in trade today. Vaishnav also retains the Electronic and IT Ministry and is given additional charge of the I&B Ministry as well. Ashwin Kumar joining us now from curbing railways deficit flap to promoting semicon fabs. Vaishnav has a lot on his plate.
Well, Ashwini Vaishnav reassuming charge as the Minister for Electronics and IT just this morning. This will be his second stint at the helm of the IT Ministry, and here are 5 things that will be topmost on his mind. Number 1, AI. The industry is talking about it aggressively. He's talking about integration of AI. The ministry will be looking at integration of this AI in a way that it can be transformed into a digital good, number 1. And number 2, what will a regulatory framework for AI look like? That's 1. Number 2, the semiconductor mission off to a flying start. The likes of Micron, likes of Tata expressing interest, investing money, setting up fabs in India. What does the second leg of the semiconductor mission journey look like? That's something that Ashwini Vaishnav will have to focus on. Number 3, electronics manufacturing. Again, off to a flying start with the mobile phone industry. Now the industry is talking about replacing it with import substitution, with export manufacturing. And that's something that's a demand coming in, not just for mobile phones, but also for the larger IT hardware and telecom technology space. So another key area of focus for Ashwini Vaishnav. Number 4, DPDP Act ratified by the Parliament. The rules, however, have not been notified. We're still awaiting the rules. We're still awaiting a framework for data security. That is something that is urgent, that will be pressing on his agenda. And finally, number 5, the IT Act has been in effect for a large part of the last 20-odd years. We're now looking at the next piece of legislation that will replace the Information Technology Act. Again, it will have implications for all players who have any form of digital presence, and the Digital India Act will again be the next key piece of legislation coming out of the Ministry of Electronics and IT. So 5 points here for Ashwini Vaishnav to focus on as he assumes charge at the helm of the IT Ministry.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अपने पहले ही कार्यभार के पहले ही दिन गरीबों को समर्पित फैसले लिए हैं, किसानों को समर्पित फैसले लिए हैं, नौजवानों के लिए एक बहुत मजबूत नींव खड़ी करनी है और हमारी नारी शक्ति माँ और बहनों के लिए जो एक एम्पावरमेंट की सरकार रही है 10 वर्षों की, उसी भावना के साथ सेवा करेंगे।
India's young